Hi guys, welcome back. Right, today I'm going to try and sort out the door handle on my car. It doesn't open. The driver's side's a little bit dodgy as well. The door opens from the inside, but it won't open from the outside. Okay, so here's the problem we got. So the door locks and unlocks fine with the key. That's not a problem. But once you unlock it, it won't do anything. It works from the inside fine, but I can't open it from the outside. So I'm gonna have to take the handle off and just have a little look inside, see what's going on. Okay, so all you've got to do, one screw there. This little panel lifts up. You might need a little screwdriver in there. Be careful not to split it. And then there's one screw in there, and that's all you need. 2 screws and the whole thing will slide off. Okay, so there's the door handle. I don't actually know what's wrong with it. If I pull the lever, the mechanism is actually working. So as far as I'm concerned, the handle's fine. And looking in the door, you've got a couple of pins in here, and the same thing. The door does actually open from inside, so the only thing that can be happening is that the handle mechanism and the little catch in there aren't lining up properly. But the only way I'm going to be able to see what's happening is if I take all the door card off. So I think that's going to be my next job. Okay, so let's get this door card off. I've not actually done it on this car before, so I've done it on a couple of other cars, but not this one. We'll just twist the knob off here. Got there eventually. It's quite a long one. Right. Take that off. These should just pull off. Yeah. If that comes off, or is that? No, we'll leave that for now. Right, let's get the winder off. Just take the cover off. Take the screw out. Oh, that's true. Let's wind the window up. Otherwise, I'm not going to be able to get into the door because the glass will be in the way. Unscrew the winder. That should just pop off. Lovely. This, I presume, just slides off, does it? Yeah. That comes off. Handle. Right, pop that trim off. 2 screws in here. One, 2. And now I've got a couple of screws just on the side of the door here. One. 2. I think there's a couple this side as well. Okay, I'll just pull this away from the window rubber. And there you have it. And there we go. Now I've got access to the catches. So I'm going to put the door handle back in, have a look at the catch, see how it all lines up and see if I can make any adjustments to it. Okay, so the problem I've got is that the catch on the handle and the catch on the door aren't meeting properly. There's a bit of a gap, so I'm going to need to find some way of adjusting or bridging that gap so that the handle actually makes full contact with the door catch. Right, I'm just going to undo these two bolts here and see if I get a bit of movement on the actual latch itself, and then hopefully I can move it up a bit to make the two ends meet. Right, so I've just adjusted the catch, I've just put the door handle back on. I'm just going to give it a quick spray of WD-40 just to loosen everything up, and then fingers crossed it should work. Just tuck that out of the way. Shut the door. Oh yeah. Spot on. That's it, all works. All I've got to do now is put the door card back on and then do it all again on the other side. Cheers guys, thanks for watching. See you all again in the next video. Bye bye.